How to customize your DOLA Pro with a metatarsal head accommodation. A metatarsal head accommodation is a partial thickness indent on the dorsal surface of the orthotic under a metatarsal head. In this video, we will show you how to complete a metatarsal head accommodation in clinic. An accommodation involves marking the position of the metatarsal head on the orthotic device. Step 1. Use a pen or lipstick to identify and mark the metatarsal head on the foot. Step 2. Stand on the orthotic to transpose the weight-bearing position of the metatarsal head. You now have your area marked as a guideline for grinding. The aim of grinding is to remove the orthotic shell material at your mark to the depth required. Holding the orthotic shell medial and lateral to the grinding area, place the dorsal surface of the orthotic shell against the edge of the grinder. Flexing the orthotic will allow easier access to your grinding mark and will protect you from grinding unwanted areas including the heel cup. Remove small sections of the orthotic at a time until you become comfortable and check your progress. A mild grind will create a small divot, a more aggressive grind will create a deeper divot. The grind can be smoothed with sandpaper or a Dremel. Alternatively, a divot can be made with a handheld Dremel grinder or even a burr attachment on a clinical drill. A metatarsal head accommodation is used to accommodate structures in the dorsal surface of the orthotic including nodules, plantar warts, corns, exorstosis, scars, or rigid deformities. It can also be used to address pathologies including capsulitis or bursitis, and to improve comfort, tolerance, and troubleshoot orthotic irritation. Fit customizations can be performed on the entire DOLA Pro range. If you don't have a grinder, the Pro Fit and Pro Lite are popular low-profile options. For the latest open access education and training, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And be sure to download our advanced customization manual at dolaorthotics.com. To access more of our videos, please follow the links, and we look forward to supporting you in your clinical practice.